Good day, everyone. In this video, we are going to create a new user account, a local user account on Windows 11. So here in the search icon, just type user and you will find the best match, add, edit, or remove other users. So once you click on that, a new window will appear like this. In accounts, we have family and other users, add a family member and add other user. And you can see another user here, which is a local account as well as a administrator. So we need to click on this add other user instead of add a family member. So I'll click on add other user, and here we get this option. How will this person sign in? So here we have this option. I don't have this person's sign in information. So I'll click on that, and we will get four options: enter the email, or use the phone number, get a new email address, or add a user without a Microsoft account. So I'll click on that, and here who's going to use this PC, so I can give a name. So I'll mention any name, any random name which you can give, and enter the password. And once you have typed the password, in case you forgot your password, here you need to enter the three security questions. Once you have typed all three security questions, you can see the local account has been created. So here we just need to click on that. And here in account options, we have this change account type. So I'll click on that. And from here, you can use the standard user if you're making for others. And if you're making for yourself, you can create a administrator account and just click on OK. It's a pretty straightforward process. Now you just need to restart or just simply switch user from here, and you can log into the user account which you just created. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.